A set of measurements and annotations placed on an image can be saved as a layer. To save one or more measurements and annotations as a layer, click the Save Layer icon in the Layers section of the vertical toolbar. All saved layers will appear in the Layers section and will be identified by different colors. Hovering the mouse cursor over a layer icon displays its creation date and time, and the username of the person who saved it. Clicking on an active layer icon will hide the measurements and annotations associated with that layer. Clicking on an inactive layer icon will display them again. When a layer is displayed, the system automatically focuses on the portion of the image containing all the measurements and annotations for that layer. The user who created a layer has the ability to modify or delete it. To modify a layer, right-click the layer icon and select the Modify Layer option. While making changes, new measurements or annotations can be added, or existing ones can be modified or deleted. Changes can be saved by clicking the Save Layer icon, or discarded by clicking the Revert Changes icon, both located in the Layers section. To delete a layer, right-click the layer icon and select the Delete Layer option. Confirm the action by clicking the Delete button in the pop-up that appears. Deleting a layer will remove all associated measurements and annotations, and this action cannot be undone.